Groom's reaction over the painting.
Whoa, that is insane. That is so good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
He's too good. Like, wow. And everything, like, the entire thing is so accurate.
Thank you.
It's too good. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.